Are you ready to stop the 86 Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 120 DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll explain the fix and show you how to automate the repair. Before starting the detailed 86 Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 120 fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the 86 Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 120, the 32-bit standard C++ library for the 2013 redistributable. It provides the implementation for standard containers and string handling. Missing this file is a primary cause of startup failure for legacy 32-bit software on 64-bit systems. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The verified solution for this error is a clean reinstall of Microsoft Visual C++. Visit Microsoft to download the x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables and run the installers to replace the file. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with 86 Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 120. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like 86 Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 120 DLL. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for 86 Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 120. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including 86 Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 120 dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.